Hello, in this video we are going to learn about external memory or storage devices. Computer memory is the storage area of the computer. It is any kind of hardware which stores data and instructions for the computer. They are classified into two types, primary or internal memory and secondary or external memory. While the primary memory is accessed directly by CPU, secondary memory is backup memory used for long-term storage of data. Its key characteristics are: it is slower than the primary memory, data stored is permanent, so it is used for storage and backup, it helps in transferring data from one computer to another. There are many different types of storage devices such as floppy drives, CD drives, tapes, etc. The earliest computer storage device was actually punch card made of paper. Now we have storage devices which are either magnetic, optical or flash memory devices. Let's look at each one of them. Magnetic storage devices include hard disk and floppy disk. Hard disks are typically installed inside the computer, though portable hard disks are also available. Inside a hard disk, there is a spindle which holds one or more rotating disks called platters. These disks are coated with magnetic material. These disks have a magnetic head which is used to read or write data on the disk. Floppy disks were used to transfer data between computers. The computers have floppy drives into which the floppy was inserted. They used to come in 5/1/4 inch or 3.5 inch size. As their data capacity was very less, pen drives have now become more popular. Next are optical storage devices, which includes CDs, DVDs and Blu-ray discs. It uses laser and light to store data. CD stands for compact disc. They are portable and can store up to 700 MB of data. They come in three types. First is CD-ROM or CD read-only memory, from where you can only read data. Then there are CDR or CD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In CD RW or CD rewritable, the data can be written multiple times, so it is also known as erasable CD. Next we will cover DVDs. DVDs stand for Digital Versatile Disc and they have storage capacity almost 10 times that of CD and are 20 times faster than CD. They come in three types. First type is DVD-R or DVD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In DVD read-write or DVD rewritable, the data can be written multiple times. Next is Blu-ray. The name comes from blue laser, which reads from and writes to the disc rather than the red laser of DVD. This allows it to store more and it can hold 25 GB of data per layer. There are dual layer, triple layer discs which hold even more data. Now we will cover flash storage device. They include USB flash drives, memory cards or SD cards, etc. They have now become very popular as it is more cheaper, efficient and reliable solution. USB flash drive or pen drive is a portable memory storage device which is the size of a human thumb and connect to computer via a USB port. It can store data up to 1 TB. It is compact, fast and convenient, so it is typically used to store and transfer files. Memory card is used to store photos, videos in cameras, smartphones and gaming consoles. They can store images up to 128 GB. SD or secure digital card comes in micro SD or mini SD size as well. Nowadays, storing data online and in cloud is becoming popular as people need to access their data from more than one device. However, it is nothing but storing on a network of remote servers which are either magnetic or optical.